Hey everyone, welcome to my first actual proper YouTube video. I just want to do a quick showcase of this HP Pavilion A375C. It's a really cute little computer, and it's got a Pentium 4. Hold on. It's got a 3 GHz Pentium 4 with hyperthreading. The sticker says 512 megabytes of RAM, but I actually upgraded it to 2 gigabytes. Has a 160 gigabyte hard drive, still the original hard drive as far as I know. And it has FireWire, so you can sync your old iPods. So the plan for today's video actually is to edit this video that I'm recording right now using Windows Movie Maker on this computer. So let's see, I'm recording some footage. I'll zoom in and out. Ooh, zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, so now let me copy this over to the computer. I'll be right back. I don't know if you noticed during that first segment, but this computer actually has a memory stick slot on the front, which is pretty handy because I can just slot this memory stick directly into it. So look how cool this is. It's like transparent, translucent. I don't see stuff like this anymore. Okay, so it turns out Memory Stick and Memory Stick Pro is different from Memory Stick Pro Duo. Oops. Oh well, just a USB cable. Okay, so I have all the footage, and I have a folder full of the unused clips, my mistakes. Now, let me see. Never done this before. Import video. Desktop. Can I just copy all of these? Import. Uh-oh. Great. I wonder, hold on, convert, let's see, add, can I convert these, convert, profile, let's try this. Pen converted, start. Okay, let that go and see if this works now. I didn't really think about that I might need codecs. Okay, that didn't take too long. So here are the converted ones. Let me see if I can import these. Okay. I don't think that's gonna work. Yeah. Alright. Let's try this again. Delete these. Okay, so what I ended up doing is just creating the title sequences in Movie Maker, because that's mainly what I wanted Movie Maker for. I can close this now. And I'm just going to do the rest of it in Premiere because this is more like what I'm used to. So I can take the second one, put it here. So the plan for today's video actually is to edit this video that I'm recording right now using Windows Movie Maker on this computer. So let's see, I'm recording some footage, I'll zoom in and out. Ooh, zoom in, zoom out. Yeah, so now let me copy this over to the computer. Okay, and now I can cut this there, move this, ripple delete, and then take the third. I don't know if you noticed during that first segment, but this computer actually has a memory stick slot on the front, which is pretty handy because I can just. And then fourth. Okay, so it turns out. And then I don't have to spend all of this time here. Oh, that is. Okay. Whoa. Okay, that didn't take too long. Here are the converted ones. Let me see if I can import these. Okay, now let me get the rest of this footage and finish this up. Alright, so now that I have all this footage imported, I'm going to take the title sequence that I made, put that in there, and what I'm going to do is I will zoom in. Let's see. So I'm actually going to move all of this over and then put this here, and now I can zoom in to this title sequence which is very zoomed out. Okay, and then right here I will cut and then move this move this to the end of here, and then take this, oops, that's not what I want, and then push it up here, and now move this back over here. Okay. And get the rest of this footage and finish this up. Okay, I need to find some way to make this like zoom in, scale to frame size. There we go. And then scale to frame size. Okay, this is perfect. So I still have to actually take this footage that I'm recording right now and put it in, but just as an example, I will show you how I export it. Export movie, and I'll just do it as this, and then let's see. Can I do it as? You can export as a bitmap? A waveform? Interesting, okay. I'll just do it as that. And then save. And now let that go. So yeah, that was a quick look at me getting some work done on my HP Pavilion. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.